Okay, so let's get this straight to the point. So you're having a problem about this little thing here about trying to use a layer to clip through an entire folder of layers. Hold on, where did that here? I had the same problem, but you are not the problem. If you're doing it like this, wait, no, not that one. If you're doing it like this, but it doesn't work, you're actually not hallucinating. This is a bug. What you do to fix it is basically just make a new folder, a brand spanking new one, and transport your layers to it. Hold on. Wait, no, no. I'll do this, 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 and this. Brand spanking new folder. Now, where is that? Okay, so here's the layer right here. See? Now it works. That's because your folder was bugging. I don't know what the problem with is. It basically it practically has no settings, but this is how you fix it. Uh, and as you can see, you can draw over that. You can draw over. Let's delete that. You can draw over like that. It's a bug both in Medibang Paint and in FireAlpaca. But this is how you fix it in FireAlpaca. But it most likely will fix also in Medibang Paint. So that's all. Hope I helped you. Saved a bunch of aneurysms, unlike me, who spent an entire afternoon trying to figure this out, thinking that I was literally trying to replicate every single settings I had in my past works and replicate it here, but it was just a bug. Or maybe not, I don't know. But anyways, goodbye glitched folder. I have it here. I can still do stuff. Yep. Clip right there. Okay, delete. Okay, so that's all.